Hey, this is Amr from Project A. Today we have this beautiful Nado Grey MK8 GTI. This car came to us with an aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket intake and the race chip. This car has 245 horsepower and 370 Nm torque. The owner wants more horsepower, so let's see what we can do to it. So basically we removed the race chip, we installed the blow-off valve, we flashed our own custom Project A tune, stage 2, made by Michael. We still need to dyno the car to know how much horsepower can it make, but we should be able to make around 90 to 95 horsepower more and 100 Nm torque. So now after the car is done, we're waiting for the customer to test, and I'm sure he will love the car. Hey everyone, this is Amr from Project A. Hello, this is Amr from Project A. What now? So basically we removed, so I said Michael's line. Now I know what everyone, hey.